Hello, everyone. This is Christy Estelle with another Astro Minute. Today's energies are for 5/7 of 2025, and I'm theming today perfecting the pivot. And that is because we have this lovely moon that's in Virgo. Virgo is that energy of being hyper aware, but it can also extend to being hypercritical. And in the afternoon at 11:29 a.m. Central Time, this Virgo moon squares Jupiter. This is asking us to reconsider any hypercritical elements we have about ourselves in order to step into the life that we're expanding into. And this may require a change in attitude or a change in thought process. Later in the day at 6:44 p.m., this same moon then opposes the North Node. So again, any hypercritical energy that you have residing in your field is opposing where you're headed, your spiritual highest self. Then at 7:29 p.m., this moon trines Uranus, which is saying change is on the table and welcomed. Finally, at, ironically enough, 11:11 p.m. Central Time, this moon opposes Saturn, asking us to add some structure into this new thought pattern. This has been a brief overview of the energies of the day, and as always, keep your astrology uplifting.